Isa, nakuha ka ng third round. Ano lang yung naramdaman mo nung na-draft ka ni Coach Jerry?
I mean, I'm very happy po, and like, I'm very happy and grateful, and at the same time, excited. Even third round po nila ako na-pick kasi, aminado naman ako kasi may like may injury po kasi ako. But I'm looking forward to learning from the veterans and grow more with the team.
Could you tell us, ano yung injury mo?
Partial ACL.
So, which knee?
My right knee po. But before season pa yun. So, actually, kakatas lang na season, naglaro ako with my, even I'm injured. Pero, yun, thankful naman kasi kinaya naman at hindi naman, dumala or like, nadagdagan pa yun. Naraos naman yung season na healthy.
Pero by simula ng PBL, may PBL on tour sa July, so makakalaro ka na ba for by then or kailangan mo pa ng dagdag recovery pa?
Actually po, like, nakapaglaro din ako sa kasi,
Sa dulo ng season.
Like, natapos na naman po yung season, all goods naman po. So, hoping na makapaglaro ngayong season sa this coming PBL kasi like clear to play naman, sabi ng doctor. So, okay naman. Yun, looking forward na makapaglaro with
Gano'n lang kalaking bagay na si Coach Jerry nakasama mo na rin sa uniform?
Malaking bagay kasi knowing Coach Jerry, so syempre Coach Jerry na yan, yung program niya din. So yun, nilook forward ko na mas mag-improve sa system and yun, mga ates. Ayun po.
Thank you.